An indicia is this square thing in the corner of your mail piece, and it's postage. Mailers can choose to use an indicia if they're doing high volume mailings because it's a great cost saver and time saver. They can skip the whole stamp-affix process. If you want to apply for an indicia, you can go to the USPS. An indicia needs to be located in the top right corner of the mailing area. That doesn't mean that it needs to be in the top right corner of the mailing piece. It does need to adhere to certain clear spaces outlined by the USPS regulations, and it needs to be legible. So we suggest keeping it a minimum of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. This means that you can make it any color you'd like. It just needs to have enough contrast from the background, and the font size just needs to be easily read. The content must read class marking on the first line, the words USPS paid, then the city and state where the permit is held, and finally the permit number on the last line. You can choose to make your indicia stand out in a few different ways. One way could be to apply for a company indicia. In this case, you would have your company name printed in place of the state and the permit number. Another way could be to pull the city and state out of the indicia box and instead place the zip code information to the side. Or you can choose to make art to accompany the indicia. This art just must be placed outside of the clear space and it can't replicate any markings used by the USPS.